Hi there, Christian Cantrell here, back with another example of how layering AI into applications will allow us to invent entirely new and much more expressive workflows. In this example, I'm a designer tasked with creating an ad for a travel site, and I'm looking for something really specific. I want an image of a single mountain, or a rock, out in the middle of the ocean, with a layer of bright green foliage on top. So I'm using a popular stock photography site and doing my best with search terms, but I'm just not getting what I want here. The thing is, I can see it in my mind. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and although I'm not artistic enough to draw or paint it, I could easily sketch a rough version of it. Okay, so let's do that. Let's jump over to a project from NVIDIA called GAN that uses a GAN, or a generative adversarial network, to turn rudimentary annotations into photorealistic images. Now, this is an image that, as you can see, absolutely anyone can draw. It doesn't require any kind of creative or technical skill whatsoever. But we're already getting pretty good results. I just need to make a few adjustments, make the mountain a little bigger, add a layer of trees that frankly look more like green hair on top of a misshapen potato, but there you go. The result's not bad at all. But it's also not quite good enough to use in my ad. I mean, it's miraculous what GANs are able to do, but at least in this example, the results aren't quite production ready. But I have an idea. I remember seeing a button back on the stock photography site that allows me to search by example, so let's see what happens when I upload my image from GAN. And right away, I get perfect results. In significantly less time than it would have taken me to narrow search terms and scroll through pages and pages of results, I have exactly what I'm looking for. Remember, this isn't a workflow that anyone foresaw or that was explicitly enabled. The only technical compatibility between these two applications is that one can output a JPEG and the other can accept a JPEG as input. But the real protocol that enables these two apps to be combined into a single novel workflow is the synthesis on one side and interpretation on the other of what we would call reality. So the more that apps use AI to generate and interpret reality, the more our technology might finally start working together in delightful and unexpected ways. Thanks for watching.